Hello there, you're watching Bizworld. Malaysia's gross domestic product GDP growth is expected to moderate to 4.2% next year from the 8% target this year. According to the Director and Head of Research of MIDF Research, Imran Yassin Mat Yusof, the moderate growth is mainly due to a deceleration in external trade performance amid a global slowdown and rising interest rates.
But for Malaysia, definitely is that we're not going to get a recession. We might get a slowdown. Even if US is in a recession, that's going to affect our terms of trade, but our domestic demand is going to be a support. Why domestic demand is going to be support? If you look at, for example, unemployment rate, that's going to come down, that's going to provide jobs, going to provide income for people, government assistance.
He said the global economy is expected to experience a slowdown in 2023, mainly dragged by slowing growth in advanced economies, while emerging market economies will be the major contributor towards global growth as domestic economies' activities continue recovering from the pandemic. On the Brent crude oil price, Imran said it will average at $96 per barrel, while crude palm oil to average at $3,500 per tonne. The firm also expects FBMK LCI to reach 1,700 points at price-earning ratio of 15 times next year. The electrical and electronics E&E sector is expected to contribute 120 billion ringgit to the country's GDP and 495 billion ringgit in export earnings by 2025. This as Malaysia continues to attract high-quality investments and is expected to uphold its growth trajectory. Malaysian Investment Development Authority, MIDA, said that the manufacturing sector attracted 43.1 billion ringgit in investments for the first half of 2022. During this period, the industry recorded a total of 19.49 billion ringgit in approved investments. This, in turn, could generate over 13,000 job opportunities, including highly skilled positions such as managerial, engineers and technicians. It is not yet clear how the newly formed unity government would approach the country's financial situation now that the 15th general election is over, removing the political overhang on the construction sector. According to RHB research, the status of 95 billion ringgit worth of development expenditure proposed before GE15 is pending the retabling of the 2023 budget. As such, the firm cannot discount the possibility of a review of infrastructure projects, mainly the MRT3, which could see a decrease in contract value, while project owners may postpone investment decisions until there is a better policy clarity from the government. The firm also observed that loan approvals from the construction sector dipped for the first time in 15 months after declining 0.9% in October. Petronas Carigali has discovered oil and gas at the Nahara-1 well in Block SK306, located in the shallow waters of Linger province, about 150 kilometers from Bintulu, off the coast of Sarawak. The Nahara-1 well was successfully drilled to a total depth of 2,468 meters and encountered hydrocarbon in the late Oligocene to Middle Miocene aged sedimentary sequences. Light oil with minimal contaminants was also established after production testing was conducted for the well. Petronas is the operator of the block with 100% participating interest in its production sharing contract. The Fire and Rescue Department revealed that 7,447 structural fire incidents were recorded last year, the highest since 2018. However, according to Allianz Malaysia, many local businesses have yet to put fire insurance as their main priority.
So we will continue to create this awareness. There are practically two groups of people out there. One is the one that still think that they don't have to buy. The other one that they have purchased, are they sufficiently and also adequately covered?
Malaysia.
He added some business owners put cost and probability of claim above safety and having proper risk assessment of their premises. Sean also stressed that it is important to understand business risks and how to prevent, mitigate and protect to ensure fewer disruptions and continued business operations. Well, that's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Azaria Tagaya. Thank you for investing your time with us.